Hello, my name is Kevin with KLM Audio. Welcome to my 11th video on the Behringer X32 Rack Mixer. This video is how to record a stereo left-right mix using the USB-A port on the face of the mixer. Make sure you are connected to the iPad with X32 Mix and to X32 Edit on the computer. If you need help turning on your system and connecting your iPad to the mixer, please refer back to my first video. And of course, if you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel, ring the bell for further notifications of my next videos. So, the band that is performing wants to know if you can record the show for them. You can now say yes. The band will need to provide you a USB-A flash drive. The flash drive needs to be formatted to FAT32. This will allow either a Mac or a PC user to play back the WAV file on their computer. To format a flash drive to FAT32 on your Mac, open up Disk Utilities. If you type disk in the search window, Disk Utilities should appear. It is located in Applications-Utilities-Disk Utility. Insert a flash drive into your Mac computer. In Disk Utilities, select your flash drive. Select Erase. Don't forget to save any files you have stored on the flash drive already. In the Erase window, you can rename the flash drive if you want. From the Format window, select FAT32, or it may say MS-DOS/FAT. Hit Erase and your flash drive will be ready to go. Remember to use the eject button before you remove the flash drive from your computer. I did try to play music back in my car using the flash drive, but it does not recognize a WAV file. You will have to use your computer to convert to an MP3 file. Now, insert the flash drive into the data audio port on the X32 rack. Select the USB button, which will be illuminated. Hit record, and away we go. Keep in mind, if you mute a channel, you will not be recording that channel, only what is set to the mains. And if you don't have mics on all the instruments, you will want to add some front of house mics to pick up those instruments and audience as well. Let's quickly look at the X32 Edit on the computer. The recorder is on the right sidebar. Click on the recorder. You can change the source if you desire. Most of the time you will use main, left, and right. You can change your tap location. It is preset to pre-EQ. If you want your EQ settings to remain, select post-EQ or pre-fader. And of course, if you select post-fader, when you mute the mains, you will be making a blank recording. You can also adjust the trim. With the MP3 player, I raise the trim to around plus 10 dB. Then you just press stop, play, rewind, fast forward, or record. It's simple as that. Now let's take a quick look at X32 Mix on the iPad. Select Recorder at the top of the screen. On the left, you have your record sources for left and right. Here you can select your tap points. On the bottom left is your trim knobs, and on the bottom right, you have track selections. I have one already on my flash drive. Hit the play button and you will have music. If you have a USB-A port with a flash drive inserted, push the USB button. The record window will appear. From the Home tab, you have the basic play and record functions. From the Config tab, you can change your source and tap locations. This is my presentation on recording a stereo mix using a flash drive. Next video, we will be looking at sending multi-tracks through the USB-B card on the back of the mixer to a DAW. Again, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel and ring my bell to receive notifications of my next video in the series for the Behringer X32 Rack. Thanks. I am Kevin with KLM Audio.